Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV. Please check out our website, www.truckandrv.com. That's www.truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Or feel free to give us a call at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2001 Pleasureway Excel RD. Unit has just over 80,000 miles. If you have any questions on this one, give us a call. All right, folks, I'm going to give you a tour of the inside of this Pleasureway. On the passenger side, directly behind the passenger seat, we have the rear walk-in door and the kitchen area. Got a kitchen sink, a 2-burner cooktop, gas or electric refrigerator. You got your control center. This one has an Onan 4K generator. On the driver's side, we've got a nice sized pantry or wardrobe right there. I'll show you the inside of that in a second. Above that, we've got the microwave. And we've got the wet bath and the large closet there, and your living space in the rear. The VCR is still in here, but the TV has been removed. It would have been an older style TV, so somebody pulled it out and did not replace it. We got the controls for the furnace. It's got a propane furnace and the power buttons for the sofa bed. The sofa bed is all power. You just push the buttons to run it up. It does have the extra panel back here. That panel will actually fold behind the bed when we run it up. We got a rooftop air conditioner, wood cabinetry around. I'm going to run the bed up here to show you how that works. See, that back panel goes behind. Some of them have the extra panel, some do not. It just makes the bed a little bigger. And then it does also slide forward and backward. You can get more storage behind the sofa if you're looking for storage space behind it, or more leg room up front here if you're sitting in the sofa. The TV would have been in this cabinet, but like I said, that's been removed. This cabinet's got some nice shelves. And more shelves down there. The wet bath, they save space by combining the toilet with the shower and the bathroom sink. Got the shower head laying up there. Wet bath, a bathroom combined in one space to save room. This is you can either use this as a wardrobe or a pantry. It's designed for a wardrobe. It's got the hooks there. You can store the table inside of that one. Got a couple cabinets up overhead up front there. Cloth front seats. Nice clean unit. If you have any questions on this one, please give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV at 419-899-2020.